Walking on the wire, people loving, walking on the wire. With a great ball of fire, perfect deep for hugging. It's a day for love. I will set you free with my music key. I will set you free. I'll set you free. I will set you free with my music key. I will set you free from your misery. It's the day. It's the day. It's the day. Just like I do, that I'm in love with you. Saw you in my dream, saw you in my dream, in the high come home with me. Are you coming home? Come to my home. Are you coming home?
Giving you a call, after last night to say, you were really hot last night. You were like a god in my bed, playing games in my head and everything, and you were just unbelievable, honey, with your tricks and stuff, and you made me feel like a real woman. So, am I going to see you again? I mean, I'm free all week, so we can get together. I mean, that's if you want to. And I'll just give you my number, because I'm not sure I gave it to you. It's 079 120 129. So just give me a call. I mean, I just really want to see you. I'm lonely. I can't stop thinking about you, and we can get together, and we can make love, and, in the harmony and the unity, it's just you and me, baby. Charlie and me, huh? What do you think? So come on, give me a call.
Saw you in my dream, saw you in my dream, in the high come home with me. Are you coming home? Come to my home. Are you coming home? That you knew that I'm in love with you. Crazy, crazy, the way I do. It's a night for loving. It's a night for hugging. And it's a night for dubbing. And it's a night for plugging. Gonna plug my ting, plug my jack. Lie down on your back, open your leg. Gonna plug you in your head. Plug you in your head. Caress your head. Put you